I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is the Orglamix box or bag. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this subscription since it is new to our channel. That way, if you are not familiar with it, you will know all of the details. Before I get into doing that, I want to say thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Don't forget, we do have 2 active giveaways on our channel right now. We have the makeup and skincare giveaway that does not end until October 4th. And we have the giveaway in the Boxy Luxe unboxing video that does not end until the 13th of October. Both will be linked down below, so make sure you enter if you have not already. And if you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. But let's get to Orglamix. So it says the ultimate self-care box for busy moms. Like I said, I will put a link down below. There is free shipping with this box, or they do ship worldwide, but that is $15. But within the US, it is free shipping. And it starts at $34.95 a month. You can get it as low as $28.25 if you prepay for 12 months. You can obviously get a little bit lower if you prepay for like 3 or 6, but the lowest is $28.25, or monthly would be $34.95. So for busy women who have been looking for a good reason to #treat yourself. You probably don't do it often enough. And putting me time on the back burner is a big part of why we can all feel run down, frenzied, and overwhelmed. Orglamix to the rescue. And I need that because I am run down right now. I don't feel that well, but that's okay. We must push on, right? But this is designed to help you stress less, discover new products that are clean and cruelty-free. No more overpaying for good-for-you products. Now, your first box will ship within 1 to 3 days of ordering, so you get it super fast. After that, it will ship on the first week of every month. So, like I said, I will put a link down below to Orglamix if you would like to check them out. And let's get in here and see what we got. I think this bag is super cute. And it says, Wicked Good Practical Magic, September 2019. So let's see what the practical magic is. Okay. Okay, so something smells amazing. So everything is like wrapped up right here. And again, this says Wicked Good Practical Magic Scent Club, September 2019. So that's what this sticker right here says. Enjoy the September box, Nikki. They did very kindly send this to me for review, so thank you so much, Orglamix. I do appreciate that. So it says, consciously crafted fragrances that celebrate wild freedom, rebellious spirits, and fierce dreamers. Welcome to Wicked Good. The Wicked Good Scent Club ships the 15th to 20th of each month. So we have more information here. So let me look through this really quickly. Welcome to Wicked Good, consciously crafted fragrances that are intended to give people a little something to smile about. A bespoke collection that celebrates ingredients and individuality. Wicked Good fragrances are handcrafted in small batches with plant extracts, distilled flower essences, essential oils, and fragrance perfume oils. So giving or getting one feels luxurious and special. All of our scents are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Okay. Oh, and I really, really like this. This is awesome. So here we have a list of everything that is in here, plus pricing. I love that. I love not only that you get a card that tells you what the items are, but when they include pricing, I really appreciate that. There's a quote on the back here from Practical Magic. It says, there's a little witch in all of us. All right, so let's get in here and see what we got. All right, so I'm gonna open this up. It looks like we have got 4 products in here. Gosh, something smells so good. I'm not sure which one, if it's all up, I'm not sure, but all I know is it smells amazing. All right. So we're gonna start here. This is Midnight Margaritas. This is solid perfume right here. You guys can see that. This says it has agave tequila, lime, orange liqueur, and a dash of salt. This is $16. Oh, that smells so good. That smells so good. I may have to send this to Kitty though. So Kitty, if you're watching, Midnight Margaritas, this may be coming your way. It smells really, really good, y'all. All right, and then there is a perfume oil roller right here. Practical Magic. This is sun warmed figs, white tea, jasmine, heliotrope, and sandalwood. This is $18. That sounds amazing. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. That smells amazing. Wow. Okay. And then, wow, this is, All right, and then we have a body lotion right here. Peach, apricot, blackberry, cinnamon, heirloom rose, and woodsy musk. This is $16 for the, it says $16 for full size. So I don't know if this is the full size or if it's just like a sample. I honestly am gonna guess that this might be full size. Custom blend, hydrate, and protect, but those notes, I don't know about the rose. That's the only one that's got me like, but maybe the others are. Oh, y'all, oh my mercy. Okay, first of all, it's a lotion, but it's like the consistency is thick, but not like too thick, if that makes sense. Like I can understand why it says to hydrate and protect, but y'all, oh my goodness, that smells. I definitely am picking up more of like the peach and the blackberry. Those really are the notes that I'm picking up. Maybe a slight bit of the woodsy musk. Oh my gosh, but it smells so good. Oh goodness. All right, and then the final product says Perfume Absolute. So I'm assuming this is actually like a perfume, and it's called This Kiss, and it is a custom blend. Neroli, cinnamon, vanilla, myrrh, if I'm saying that correctly, MYRRH, amber, and patchouli. $29. It says and it says limited edition. You can kiss me in the moonlight, on the rooftop, under the sky. You can kiss me with the windows open while the rain comes pouring inside. Why do I know this? It's that pivotal moment. It's subliminal. Ah, I know why. Faith Hill. All I can smell now is the lotion, and it smells so good. But Oh man, that smells phenomenal, y'all. Oh my goodness. Which I knew, like I said, neroli, cinnamon, vanilla, myrrh, amber, and patchouli. Oh my gosh. That smells so, 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 so good. So we have this just amazing, oh my gosh, that smells like just, The body lotion, that smells really, really good as well. We have the roll-on that smells fantastic. And it does say mix, match, and layer, so you can kind of use all of these together. And then we have the Midnight Margaritas solid perfume right here, which smells really good. But like I said, I think I may send this to Kitty because y'all, if you follow her, you know she loves her some margaritas. So, but it all smells fantastic. Not one of these items smelled bad to me at all. Like the combination, the different notes, was just amazing. My favorite though, I would have to say, is this by far. And honestly, this smells really good, but just because it's margaritas, that's why I was like, I'll probably send it to Kitty. But this, you guys, oh my, this right here to me would be worth it. I mean, it is amazing. That smells so, so good. Yeah. So, like I said, it is, oh man. I'll put a link down below. Go check them out, you guys. You will not be disappointed. Oh, it just smells fantastic. I love this so much. So, see, this is the September 2019. Like I said, again, the link is gonna be below, you guys. I'm like just like in awe of how good this one right here smells. Like, oh, it smells so good. Okay, let me get myself together. All right, again, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I will put the link down below and let me know your thoughts. Again, have a fabulous day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.